Win as much as 600,000 pesos in any of our electronic bingo sites. Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive beside Sam's Pizza. And Bingo Bonus in Barreto. Bingo Party located at RC Mall, East Bakbak Public Market. And your favorite bingo place, Bingo Party Traditional Bingo, is now open to serve you from 12:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Bingo Pot is open from 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. Game responsibly. See you there.
Sure, you have other choices, but they all
89.5
rocks.
Hello everyone, this is Paul Sapira and you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back. Final stretch of this radio show. Final stretch na. Siguro I'm gonna be playing my final song na rin. Well, to just stay tuned, okay? Let our songs be your continued companion all throughout the day, okay? This is the Tuesday edition of this radio show. And time once again for some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. But before that, I want to give a big shout out muna. Shout out muna sa ating mga kaibigan na nagse-celebrate ng anniversary ngayon. Si Madam Amy Navarrete tsaka si Ronald Navarrete of LTO Olongapo. And lahat na rin kayo dyan sa LTO Olongapo. Ayan, happy listening sa inyo. Magandang pananghalian. Okay? Happy celebration of your lunch. Celebration of lunch. Again, happy 19th anniversary na balita ko. Binalita sa akin ni parang Edwin Bagang. Ayan. 19th anniversary na daw. Sige, okay. Tagal na nun ha. Wala bang walang instances na, alam mo yon, paggising sa umaga? Kasi 19 years na eh. Alam mo yon, gigising ka tapos, ikaw na naman. De, joke lang. Wala naman sigurong ganun, si Ronald. Hindi ka nagugulat paggising mo umaga. Ay lalo na si Ma'am Ami Navarrete. Hindi nagugulat pagising sa umaga ng, ikaw na naman. What I'm trying to say is happy 19th anniversary sa inyo, ha? Okay? Kung may celebration, just let me know. Pupunta kami ni paring Edwin Bagang. Yung pagbati galing sa kanya. Tsaka sa akin na rin, ha? Alright? Ma'am Ami and Sir Ronald, happy anniversary. Alright, I hope you guys are happy. Lalo na ngayong narinig nyo itong itong greetings na to. Nagpapabati kasi si parang DJ Cyberbugs Edwin Bagang. Sabi ko, matagal na namin tinigil yung pambabati, pre. Greet na lang. Dati kasi nang babati kami, di ba? So kakabati namin kung ano nangyayari. Binabati namin na nasasarapan. Nasasarapan sa pagbati, kasi narinig nila yung pangalan nila, ganun. So greet na lang. And speaking of greet na lang, kasama na rin natin yung mga kaibigan ko sa Tisay's Canteen. Naku, paborito kong bumibili ng ulam diyan. Mura na, nauutang pa. Ito yung mga members niyan, yung mga Spice Girls ng Tisay's Canteen. Ayan, si Ate Christina Paytomi or Paytomi Christina, dala-dalawa yung Facebook account, baliktaran yung pangalan. Pag nagbabayad ako, sa kanya ako nagbabayad. Lahat tayo sa kanya dapat magbayad kasi kaya nga pay to me. Christina, pay to me. Tsaka si Ate Emma de la Cruz, ayan, kasama din. Si Marivic Guanzon. Sino pa ba? Si Amy Diego. Ayan. Siya daw si Diego. Diego. Si Len Hamulin or Jamulin. Bahala ka kung gusto mo. Basta dalawa sinabi ko. Si Len. And si Ate Milky Danoog. Ayan. So pag-order kayo ng gatas habang kumakain doon, siyang tawagin nyo, Milky Danoog, pa-order ng gatas. Yan, Tisay's Canteen. Happy listening sa inyong lahat. Masayang tanghalian. Pati na rin sa mga kumakain dyan sa inyo, ha? Ayan, lahat ng nandiyan dyan. Happy September 10, Tuesday. Happy celebration of your lunch. Ayan, yan na po yung mga pagbati natin. And time now for some of the, alam mo na, the latest piece of news. This time from the Presidential Communications Office. As you guys all know, 89.5 is under the PCOO, under PBS. Here's the latest from Presidential Communications Office. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. led the distribution. This just happened today, ha? Ngayon lang to, kaninang umaga. Fresh news, hot off the grill. Okay? He led the distribution of 129 ambulances or patient transport vehicles, or PTV as we call it, to local government units, beneficiaries under the Medical Transport Vehicle Donation Program of the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office, PCSO. Yan. PCSO, bigyan naman. Ang 89.5, wala ring service. The Medical Transport Vehicle Donation Program builds on our thrust to improve healthcare access and provide swift medical intervention, especially in vulnerable communities and geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas, the President said during his speech at the distribution event held at the Quirino Grandstand in Manila. According to the President, the program is set to deliver Type 2 Advanced Life Support Ambulances, PTVs, and C ambulances, specifically to underprivileged regions to ensure the survival of victims in emergency situations. He said, we will be giving these PTVs to provincial, city, and municipal governments to help ensure that their constituents will be given the chance to pull through whenever they need these assets for the rescue, for the health care of those who have become victims to these natural calamities. The President also said that these vehicles are fundamental resources for first responders, whom he referred to as heroes in the medical field, and in their duty of providing timely medical intervention through transportation, as these vehicles are crucial in the difference between life and death. The Chief Executive highlighted the goal of the PCSO to procure more PTVs, to guarantee 2 vehicles for each municipality, while urging them to continue until this ambition is realized. All right, so that's the latest from the PCOO, Presidential Communications Office of Malacanang. And inviting you to the National Tourism Week lineup of activities. As you guys all know, September is National Tourism Month celebration. Okay, and within it, the final week, so to speak, hindi lang 1 week kasi, marami, has a series of events for you, like the starting up with September 11 to 12, Central Luzon Sustainable Tourism Summit 2024, which will be held at the Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center. September 16, the National Tourism Month Job Fair. Okay, that's gonna be this coming Monday. All right, it's gonna be at the Ayala Mall Harbor Point. Digital Marking Session on September 18. I don't know where it's gonna be. I'm not sure if it's at the SBEC or yeah. Okay, but anyways, September 23, hashtag No Filter Subic Bay, a travel photo contest. All right. I think most of these are gonna be at the Ayala Mall Harbor Point. The venues. Okay, and September 23, unveiling the wonders of Subic Bay, tour guiding video contest. That's gonna be held at the Ayala Mall Harbor Point. All right. And September 25, Tourism Rhythm Dance Battle. September 25 at the Harbor Point Ayala Mall also, Activity Center. September 27, lastly, the outreach program of the SBMA Tourism Department. All right. So there you have it, the events that will be happening for the National Tourism Month celebration here in the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. If you want to be part of it, maybe you want to join some of them, may mga gusto kayong salihan, simply visit the SBMA Tourism Facebook page. Ayan, nandiyan po yung instructions, forms, and even QR codes on how to join. I-scan nyo lang. Okay? So check out the Facebook page of the SBMA Tourism Department. It's called Funtastic Subic Bay, by the way. F-U-N-tastic. And also, we want to give a big shout out to our friends at ZMMG Co-op Hospital. Okay? Services offered: emergency room consultation, inpatient admission, outpatient, laboratory, radiology, pharmacy, OB-GYN, ultrasound, newborn screening, annual PE, drug testing. All right? ZMMG Co-op Hospital, a level 1 general hospital, number 14, Brill Street, West Bahak, Olongapo City. That's where they're located. All right? Telephone number 602-0278 or call or text hotline cell phone number 0998-9190-965. ZMMG Co-op Hospital. And lastly, the series of invites here for you. Okay, a couple more invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. But first, job opening. Marketing manager is needed at the SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, if you guys want to apply, may job opening na. Marketing manager for SM Downtown. So visit SM Downtown today. Pwede mag-apply directly. Punta lang kayo doon. And next up, we have this promo from Great Image Photo Session. 5-hour print. Now for only 499 pesos. The 5-hour print of Great Image. Okay? Available on their web store only. Okay? Visit greatimage.com.ph/shop. Okay? Redeemable at Great Image SM City Olongapo Central. Promo runs August 9 to September 30. And Great Image, by the way, is at the 4th level of SM Central. And Ari Kim Beauty and Spa is now open at the SM City Olongapo Central. So visit Ari Kim Beauty and Spa. Transform every day into a glow up day. All right, at the newest Korean relaxation spot, Ari Beauty and Spa. Okay, discover a radiant array of beauty essentials and services from Ari Beauty and Spa at the level 3 of SM City Olongapo Central. Okay, once again, level 3. And Kabayan Day Tuesdays for OFWs via the BDO Remit. Extra 10% off for OFWs on the SM affiliate stores, okay? Every first Tuesday of the month. And for those who regularly attends Mass, the Sunday Mass schedule is happening every Sunday, of course, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central, just beside the Starbucks. And lastly, here's the lineup of movies for you. What's showing right about now? Yung mga gustong manood, may mga planong manood. You can also buy your tickets early to avail of the seats, the seating arrangement or seating position or location that you want. Visit the online site of SM Cinemas. Pero meron din sa mga ibang site, no? Kinikerry rin ng ibang sites, so you can check it out. All right. So this is for SM City Olongapo Central Cinemas. Last day today, up until today only. Etong lineup na to, September 10. Cinema 1, Beetlejuice. Cinema 2, 40. Cinema 3, Haunted Universities 3. Back-to-back with The Cursed Land. Part of the August specials. And 150 pesos lang ang ticket. Okay? Cinema 4, Afraid. Cinema 5, Unhappy For You. Cinema 6, Unit 234. And Cinema 6, also The End of Days. Okay? For the downtown cinemas, Cinema 140, Cinema 1 also, Unhappy For You, back-to-back. Cinema 2, Beetlejuice. And Cinema 3, Haunted Universities 3 and Unit 234. So those are the movies. That's the lineup. Buy your tickets now to avail the seats that you want. Okay? And here's our final song for this radio show. Thank you everybody for keeping me company. You guys stay safe, huh? All right? Stay dry. Well, umaaraw, so we can stay dry. Kaya lang, you'll never know the weather, di ba? Uulan, aaraw, uulan. Wag lang umaraw wag lang sana umaraw sa gabi. Dilubyo na 'yon. Wag naman. All right. So thank you for keeping me company. This has been the September 10th Tuesday edition of the Morning Brew Radio Show 2024. Of course, here's my final song for you guys. Music coming from the band called Bowling for Soup. Their 2009 original hit. This is called BFFF, as in Best Friends Forever, Forever. 895 Subic Bay Radio with the song for now. Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Hey, enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. Bye for now.